I get this question a lot. Connie, I'm a successful brick and mortar business, but with how times have been changing, how do I move my business online? So, this is a very common question I get all the time. With everything that's happening in this world, all the concerns, stores shutting down, social distancing, all these things, it's really hurt the brick and mortar business a lot. They were once a successful business, even just months ago, and now due to all the nearby shops shutting down, all the nearby restaurants shutting down, there is no foot traffic and they're no longer getting the kind of traffic that they used to. What's great is that these businesses are ready to pivot and bring their business online. So how do I start selling online? Well, this is what I would say. Selling online is really similar to selling in retail stores. Let's just say I come up with a brand of amazing salsa. What would be the first thing I would do? I would go to the local farmer's market to sell my salsa, get people's feedback, start getting my brand known, figure out which flavors, which spice levels seem to resonate most with the customers. Once I've got that figured out, I've got my packaging, it gives me time to really take some insight from people and improve so that way I have the best of the best of my product, right? And once you do, then you can take and present it to Whole Foods. So that way it sits on the shelf and people are able to read the label and make their decision to purchase. Versus at the farmer's market, I'm there, I'm able to share with them the benefits of the locally grown ingredients and whatnot. And so just as you would do farmer's market, then Whole Foods, you would do the exact same thing online. So what does that mean? Facebook ads is definitely Whole Foods. It is not for a brand that is just starting out. If you're just starting out, you haven't proven your product, you would start by doing more organic. So you could go into Facebook groups and share about your product or service there. You can go on podcasts, you can do guest interviews with other people's YouTube channel. Basically, you're in front of other people's audience and you share with them about your product and you get the feedback, just like the farmer's market. And once you have done that, then you can move on to Facebook ads. That's when you know you've got your flavors that people like, you've got your packaging, you got your messaging, and now it can sit on a shelf and people can identify the value and make that purchase. So you are a brick and mortar business and you're wondering where to start. If you're just starting out as far as you haven't proven your product, start at the farmer's market or in the digital farmer's market. Try to find audiences where you can get in front of them and work on your presentation, your offer, things like that. And then you can move on to the Whole Foods, which is Facebook ads. If you are an established brick and mortar business, then you can actually go directly into Facebook and then you play around with the different offers. Is it buy one, get one free? Is it free plus shipping? Is it free consultation if it's a service product? So whatever those offers are, now you can test that through Facebook advertising. I hope this helps and stay tuned for my next video.